Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, as you can see, we've got a project in hand here. We are trying to design a tool stand. We've started, as you can see. Here we have our first plate. We have the second plate there. We have the first support, which is going to be duplicated. We need 4 of them. And right here, we have the second support. As you can see, we can hang stuff right here. This could be used as a hook. So now we finish to design all the parts. We just have to make sure that they are all saved. They are all being saved because we will go ahead and assemble everything. We want them to be assembled into one single model. That's why we're going to go ahead and click on home button. See new, open this window next to new. And this time we are not going on part, IPT. We are going to click assembly, IAM. If you pay attention, you will realize that here we have something called place. Just click on place, and here it will give you the chance to fetch everything that was saved that you might need for your project. So let's go and look for them. Let's go and look for each of them. We got some few stuff that we need. Yeah, this is one of them. Yeah, let's click. Now right click and go click OK. This is the first bit. Now let's go on place again. Look for the next one that we need. We have our first plate. We need the first this plate as well. Careful. Careful. Let's go back here. Careful. You have to pick the right one. Yeah. First plate tool stand okay. That's the right one. Perfect. Right click and go on OK. We have 2 of them now. So let's go again on place. We need everything ready to be used. We have our second plate right here. Second plate. Now, yes, this is the second plate. Let's place it right here. Right click. And there is one bit left. Let's go back on place. Yes, this one, yeah. Our first support tool stand. We need 4 of them. Be careful. So click 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right click and OK. So as you can see, we have everything we need to complete our project. Now let's go ahead and start the job. So we're going to go and free move. This one is going to be placed where we want it to be. Remember, this one is the base. Yeah, that is the base. Let's move this one away. Okay, so this one should be top. This one goes here. I can move this one away for now. So what we're going to do is to go right here on join. I'm going to click right here, and I want it to go in here. Careful. You have to make sure you pick the right spot. Yes, one is being placed successfully. Let's go and do the next one. Apply first. Then let's go and place the next one. This one here. And that one. Perfect. Apply. Let's do the next bit. This one right here. And let's put it somewhere here. No, that's wrong. Careful. Cancel it for me. Click on join again. Careful here. Let's pick this there. And careful. That there. This is perfect. Perfect. Now let's apply it. Careful. Let's close this page for now and move. Let's go on free move. Back on join. Pick this button. Pick that button. Perfect. Now apply. And we can get rid of this page for now. So as you can see, we have our base with 4 support on top. So what we need to do is to move to the next bit. But first, I will stop here for this one, for this video. I will stop here and carry on in the next one where we'll complete the whole thing. Thank you very much. I hope you like some few things here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.